लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द फेंस, ए स्ट्रेच ऑफ मार्श along the shores of the Wash, used to be the scene of many a chance affray and many a set battle, owing to the inroads of the Saxons and Danes on the domains of the natives. It seems to have been a vast primeval forest at the time of the Romans, who, with their usual vigilance, saw a means of saving this expense from the ravages of the waves by a clearance of the trees and the raging of banks. King John, of whose violence against the barons there is but one opinion, nearly lost his life in one of the treacherous channels of the Wash. Those who have read King Lear's romance of the endurance and stout resistance of the Saxons in the Isle of Ely must have been struck by the graphic details of the rough roads of those days, and even now they are none too easy for transit. Times out of number, the waves of the sea carried away property, causing havoc and distress to the farmers. Parachange, if I annoy you in the deliverance of my opinion, as the chances are I may put it down to a reading man's reverence for books and his diligence in the pursuit of a course which lightens many an hour for him. Think of these significant facts, and your frowns may vanish. If you have a love of books, you will feel no loneliness if and when men forget you. You can dispense with them in the circumstances, for you will have within yourself, through the brains of your authors, many better men to replace them. The balance of advantage in the change is likely to be in your favor. You will grasp the significance of this remark, I am sure, for the man who derives pleasure from reading books makes for himself reserves of strength to call upon against the time of trouble or stress. Stop.